everyone. Thank you for coming out. Songs for Survivors on Easter Sunday. I appreciate that. Lord is risen. Lord is risen indeed. For all you non-Christians out there, it doesn't matter because that's not what this is about. We wanted to have it on this day, the symbolization, the symbolic nature of resurrection, you know, cancer survivorship and all that. We created a great lineup for you all today. I'm trying to do this whole thing.
I just wanted to hang out and say hi
to my friends.
A cancer concert, huh?
Yeah.
That sounds really fun.
Who's gonna want to watch that?
Really? You think it's like too much?
I mean, what about a girly show or something? That gets butts in seats. If you're trying to get people to come to the show.
Oh, I wanted to sing a little bit.
Oh, so you wanted to sing Find Other Voice. It's all about me.
That's true. That is true. Tonight, all the benefits, all the proceeds go to my play that I wrote about my own journey with cancer. It's going to be opening up at the Arthur Miller this summer, August 15th through September 1st. And yes, that is the point of today, sort of, but more importantly...
Shameless plug.
Shameless plug. More importantly, it's about everyone here today, everyone who showed up, anyone who has any kind of connection to this, even if you don't, I mean, you know, it's the #1 disease killer of young adults right now. 1 in 2 men are affected by it, 1 in 3 women, it's a big deal. So, you know, we're trying to raise awareness, inspire people, and we're glad you're here.
You know, Alex, Melvin wrote a scene that I think would be really good for this concert.
No, I couldn't do that. I mean, all these people cry. I mean, they're so...
What scene?
All right, twist my arm, I'll do it.
All right.
We'll do it.
We'll do it. I'll never forget the first time I found out I had cancer.
You have cancer.
See? Unforgettable. It came as a little shock to me. I had to sit down.
You should sit down. I'm afraid that you have advanced ovarian cancer.
Wait, hold on, look. First off, you're a boy, so you don't have ovaries, okay? Second off, you guys are puppets, you don't even have organs.
Oh, okay.
Well, people were about to start crying and you took them out of it, Alex.
You're seeing Charlotte Monk is about to cry right now.
Alright, fine.
Thank you.
Now, you understand that your cancer has reached stages 1, 2, 3.
Wait, hold on, no, this is from the play Wit. You did not write this.
No.
These two right here in that show, is this not from the play Wit?
No, he wrote it.
No, is this not from the play from Wit?
I think it's real life.
No, this is from the play. I know it is, I saw it in it.
Oh yeah, it's from Wit. I stole the PDF from Billy Jackson.
Alright, guys, I really appreciate you guys being here. Let's give them a round of applause.